What if you could cook gorgeous food without frustration? What if you could put dinner on the table without a recipe with just a few basic ratios where all you have to do is fill in the blank? I'm Stephanie Stiavetti, and I created Fearless Fresh cooking cheat sheets to make you a faster, easier, and more creative cook. After spending years working in professional kitchens and going through both savory and pastry culinary school, I've got lots of cooking knowledge that I want to share. I've gathered my most valuable step-by-step cooking advice and put it in colorful, easy-to-read charts and graphs that'll make you the world's best home cook. I'm going to teach you how to cook to your own personal taste, flawlessly, without a recipe. I mean it. Here's what you can look forward to in Fearless Fresh cooking cheat sheets. My first cheat sheet, Instant Vinaigrettes to Win Any Salad, contains a mix and match table of ingredients with the perfect ratio so you can knock any salad out of the park. My creamy dressings cheat sheet includes master ratios, plus ingredients tables, plus example recipes that'll have you creating your own signature creamy dressing like a total salad ninja. My compound butters cheat sheet comes with 4 pages of mix and match flavor pairing tables, plus a master ratio so you can make this super easy sauce like a freaking pro. The Culinary Cuts cheat sheet is step 1 to becoming a chopping badass. With this guide, you can gauge your knife skills by placing your actual cuts right on the illustrated sheet to measure them. My Herb Cuts cheat sheet contains detailed instructions plus illustrated examples showing you exactly how to chop over 30 different kinds of fresh herbs for flavor domination. My Pasta Measuring cheat sheet takes the guesswork out of measuring pasta. How much should you make? How much should you buy? All of that is answered here. My Oil Smoke Point cheat sheet helps you avoid a rookie mistake we all make. This handy chart shows you which oils are most heat resistant so you don't ruin your dinner by accidentally burning your cooking oil. And finally, the Fearless Fresh Measurement Guide contains 16 pages of done-for-you culinary math and conversions, including visual cooking charts, baking pan charts, egg conversion charts, baking measurements, volume measurement charts, and so much more. Fearless Fresh cooking cheat sheets were designed with ease and creativity in mind. You'll learn the ins and outs of ingredients so you know exactly what to expect when you cook. You'll knock your knife skills into stratospheric levels so you can chop like a freaking chef while your friends give you the jealous side-eye over your knife skills. You'll develop your palate by expanding your flavor memory, meaning you'll instinctively know what flavors will go together, allowing you to create epic recipes on your own. And you'll make solid cooking decisions based on health, flavor, and texture based on what you've got on the fridge. Click below to find out more.